Okay. I read it twice po. Okay. In a world is increasingly driven by technology and artificial challenges, how can beauty queen like you use your platform to ensure humanity remains at the heart of progress? Again, in a world increasingly driven by technology and artificial challenges, how can beauty queen like you use your platform to ensure humanity remains at the heart of progress?
Um, to be honest, ladies and gentlemen, the question is quite mind-boggling because in the concept of beauty pageant, you should always be authentic to yourself. And the modern technology have changes that because now in the modern technology, we have what we call AI. You can deceive other people through social media that you are beautiful. Now here it is. Listen carefully, mga nakshi. From that very concept of idea, how would a beauty queen or a pageant contestera like us would remain that by heart in progress? Hi everyone, here standing in front of you. It is a common knowledge to everyone. My real name is Man Patrimonio Centino. I was born September 20, 1975. 3 and almost 4 decades joining in pageant, and one reason is that, of course, I'd like to pursue and to fight and to prove to them, thank you to Trans Pageantry, walang age limit. Bakit nga ba ako sali ng sali? Wala naman akong sinasabihan ako lagi ng, ang tanda na niya, ang taba pa niya, wala na, hindi na dapat yan sumasali. One reason behind it is because as long as I know that I have this mission to recalibrate and to remind the younger generation na kailanman ang pagkadaputong ng corona sa inyo, hindi yan paraan para lumaki ang ulo mo pagkos bumaba ka pa at maging humble ka sa sarili mo dahil yun ang nawawala ngayon. In the progress of that, tingnan mo, ang bangayan. Ala, pato sa gani, bakit niluto mo yung ganito? Yung kabilang niluto mo, we are already captured because of the social media, madaming live. Hindi mo na alam kung kailan ka magpapakatotoo dahil lagi kang tinitingnan. Konting ano malang mababash ka, where it's the authenticity of yourself. Remember this, the modern technology is invented by the people, a person, a human being. It is you who will navigate, of course, the technology, not, of course, by what they perceive. Kahit anong pang pagkataon mo, everyone is beautiful. Remember this, beautiful children. Why? Your shape, your body is yourself. And whatever happens, walang sino mang magdikta na pangit ka. Ang pinaka-importanting bagay sa lahat, hindi ka nangaapak ng tao at yung pagkatao mo nagiging kontribusyon na mabuti sa lahat. Kaya sa lahat na nanonood parati ng mga beauty pageant, tandaan nyo, kailanman lalo na ang LGBT na pageant na ganito, ala sige, sulong natin ang Soji Bill! Diyos ko, por Diyos, por Santo, paulit-ulit pa din, sinong nagbabangayan at nagbababaan? Ang pinaka-basher at bully sa buong Pilipinas pagdating sa trans pageantry, kapwa bakla. Kapwa katulad namin. Hindi nga kayo marunong rumispeto sa mas nakakatanda, kayo tumanda sa ganito, ganun na pa baka presko. At kagaling yung abilidad nyo, mahirap yun. Nadudurog minsan ang puso natin. And that is why I still continue joining pageant. One thing, very one thing, to remind the younger generation that it's okay if you lose, if you win. What is important is the legacy. Kung paano ka nagtrato, napakasimple lang yun. Kung magaling ka magtrato at nakilala kahit bakla yan, trumato ng maayos sa kahit sinong kasarian, kahit sinong kapwa, it's a domino effect. Dahil ang isang imahe ng bakla, kung mabuti ang ginawa, mabuti ang imahe ng LGBT. Pero kung mali ang ginawa, agad-agad yan ay bakla, hindi yan maaarok sa lupa, aarok yan sa Diyos, wala yan sa Biblia. So I'd like to end up by this. I will continue over and over again because the progress in my heart, I'm so thankful for the modern technology because to use the modern technology in a good aspect of life and you convey a lot of beautiful and positive message. Kaya nga, pag sinasabihin ako, dasal ng dasal, nagpupunwari lang, wala pang Friendster. Pinalaki na ako ng lolo-lola ko na alas 6 kailangan nagro-rosaryo. Hindi yun kabaligtaran sa kung ano man ang pinaniniwalaan natin. Hindi Hindi pwedeng lagi ka lang bakla. Kailangan mabuting tao ka. Anong teknolohiya pa man ang mangyari. Thank you.
Put your hands in the air.